solutions for the base of the pyramid in Southeast Asia. Actually, I have some materials here, so if some of you would like to read more about the project, I have them here. So, ano ba yung project namin? So basically, we're finding SNT-based solutions to the pressing problems of those at the base of the pyramid. So the base of the pyramid is actually, ideally sinasabi, poorest of the poor. Pero merong binigay na definition. Si Stuart Hart, I don't know if you've heard of him, Stuart Hart at si C.K. Prahalad, who's a portion at the bottom of the pyramid. And also the WRI, World Resources Institute, that define the base of the pyramid as those who are living on less than $4 a day. So that's our operating definition of the base of the pyramid. Tapos yun with the funding of IDRC, that's the International Development Research Center. It's a Canadian institution. And under their IPS program, the Innovation Policy and Science program, they're thinking that, hey, we can harness the potential of science and technology to actually solve the problems of the poor. Kasi essentially, S&T doesn't have to be high-tech, di ba? Kumbaga parang there are still, for example, a new technology can use, for example, indigenous materials. Pero in a sense, how it works, it's a science, it's science-based innovation. At the same time, it's a technology, parang ganun. So right now, the project primarily gives out grants. So we're a grant-giving project that gives grants to institutions who are working on innovations that can potentially work or solve a problem of those at the BOP, or those who are working to address issues na kinakaharap ng base of the pyramid. So right now, as of now, we had 2 calls for proposals. Si Dr. Biona belongs to the first batch of our grantees. So 2008, we had 11. Just recently, we approved 15 more projects. So next year, we're ending actually next year. This is just the first phase of the project. Hopefully, we're extending to another year. So right now, we have 26 projects all in all. If you want to read more if you want to see the list of the projects, you can go to our website. It's there. If you have the bookmarks, and marami pa akong bookmarks, so if you want to get bookmarks, our website is there, www.ibop-asia.net. And then this sessions, itong iTalk, is actually, we're doing this in partnership with the AIC, the Ateneo Innovation Center. And we are hoping to schedule other sessions like this ones with our grantees. So hopefully, within this semester, we're targeting 4 more. 5, at least 5 sessions with students. So that, kasi we want to connect our real-world innovators with the knowledge base of the academic institution, such as Ateneo. And I'm sure you guys would be excited to work on a project, for example, work with our grantees, or if you want to base your thesis or whatsoever with our projects, so you may do so. So yun, syempre we want to thank na rin AIC for, pushing this. At saka yun, in the coming months until March, so you have to watch out for at least 4 more sessions. Thank you.
The AIC is working with the Ateneo School of Government and the project to provide support to the grantees. So I think Greg is open to the idea that some students will actually get on board to provide certain aspects of certain projects. So if you find something interesting along the way, are you all seniors? Super seniors? Seniors.
Super seniors.
So even when you go to your super senior year, those who are going to that level, you might want to consider looking into projects such as this. Of course, the ECE. I just realized we're not yet doing projects across departments, no? So we're not yet doing that. But in the future, for example, you can partner with somebody from STEM or environmental science and do something like this.
For ECE, siguro offhand, paano mo itetest yung oil? Na okay na siya? Development of that equipment.
Measuring device.
Measuring device. It could be one possible topic.
Or monitoring the fuel while in transit.
Yeah, while in transit, be more of a testing device, part of the test equipment for the evaluation. For further improvement ng pinaka-processing equipment. Pwedeng automate yun na hindi na kailangang bantayan or...
May questions kayo kay Grace or kay Dr. Biona? I'm not Greg.
Kung wala na.
Kung wala na, uwi na tayo. Do you get updates from new projects? Do you want tomorrow? So they're meeting not tomorrow. This class.
Actually, circles that will
So itong group nito kasama sa
if you're using the slides send it to one of those.
Okay. Who are the super seniors? Okay. Are you ready with your slides by tomorrow? Are you pass it already? Everyone? Not yet? Yes? Okay. Sige. This is a little bit, cognitively, it's a little bit distant from your field, no? Kasi your ECE and this is more mechanical and chemical engineering. But are you able to connect with, kasi it's the use of technology in a particular social context. So it's dealing not just with the technological side, but also the social and the institutional side. So yung kaya nga yung the problem of deployment.
Siguro doon sa may mga engine problems na na-encounter, di ba? Baka mayroong mga solutions doon making use of electronics like
monitoring.
Yeah, monitoring, or let's say it's 100% basic oil, it passes to a preheater. Baka may isang problem is medyo viscous pa rin siya. So baka may mga control system ka na dapat magdo-double pass siya pag na-sense ng system mo viscous pa.
Or adjust the temperature.
Adjusting the automated yung adjustment ng temperature. Flow rate lang naman ang i-adjust mo.
Or lengthen mo yung tube where the fuel passes through. That is heated.
Yeah, pero pagka gano'n kasi na-set up na, definite na yung length. So that's where now the flow rate comes in. So pwedeng automated. So you're able to sense viscosity. And pagka medyo mataas na yung viscosity, then the system increases the flow of water. Para mas less resolution. Marami mga interventions ang pwede mo.
Are they familiar with you? Hindi pa pakita ko slide.
Ano sir, pinakopya pala yun.
Can you say something about some of the other projects that are ongoing that might be closer to them? You have a list?
Yeah, actually, may isa na, I don't know kung mag-apply sa inyo. We are about, hindi ko po finaling data, but we're launching this free and open source software that will be used as a teaching aid for public school teachers. It's called Science S&T in a Box. So ideally, what they're gonna make is parang software that would compile different teaching modules. For example, science, of course, on science. For example, may module on chemistry, on physics, on biology, the basic sciences na tinuturo sa high school. I think high school. It's high school. Tapos, i-launch, ang project na to is, proponent is the Computer Professionals Union. Parang they're actually a movement pushing for yung parang ma-elevating level ng, for example, education here in the Philippines. So yun, I'm not sure if matutuloy po, pero we're working to partner with AIC to host the launching of that, the product here in Ateneo. So hopefully, kung matuloy yun, we will be informing you guys. Kasi I think si Dr. Tangonan din is hoping na sabay nung launch, meron din silang papakita pa isang product from Ionics. Yeah. Na parang e-reader naman. So since it's an educational tool,